Growing star fruit, carambola, in small quantities for family consumption is an excellent way to enjoy fresh, nutritious fruit straight from your backyard. With proper care from soil preparation to harvest, the star fruit tree can produce generously and consistently, making it ideal for home gardens. The first step is choosing the right location. Star fruit trees need full sun, receiving at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Select an open area with good air circulation and protection from strong winds. Since the tree can reach a medium size when mature, allow enough space for the canopy to develop freely without overcrowding other plants. Proper soil preparation is essential for healthy growth. Star fruit prefers slightly acidic, well-drained, and fertile soil. Begin by clearing the area of weeds, rocks, and debris. Dig a planting hole about 20 to 24 inches wide and deep. Mix the removed soil with well-aged compost or organic manure to improve fertility. If the soil is heavy or clay-based, adding sand or organic matter will help improve drainage and prevent waterlogging, which star fruit roots do not tolerate. Choose a healthy seedling with vibrant green leaves and no signs of pests or disease. When planting, carefully place the root ball in the center of the hole, keeping it intact to avoid root damage. Fill the hole with the prepared soil mixture, gently pressing around the base to remove air pockets. Water thoroughly after planting to help settle the soil and establish good root contact. During the first months, consistent watering is important. Keep the soil evenly moist but never saturated. Good drainage is critical because excessive moisture can cause root rot. As the tree becomes established, it becomes more tolerant, but regular watering during dry periods will support better flowering and fruiting. Applying mulch around the base helps retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and reduce weed growth. Nutrient management plays a key role in small-scale family cultivation. Organic fertilizers such as compost, worm castings, or well-rotted manure can be applied every 3 to 4 months to maintain soil fertility. Balanced nutrition promotes strong vegetative growth and supports fruit production. Light pruning is also recommended to remove dead or poorly positioned branches and to maintain an open canopy that allows sunlight penetration and easier harvesting. Star fruit trees typically begin producing between 2 and 3 years after planting, depending on growing conditions and whether the tree was grafted. Small pink to lavender flowers appear in clusters along branches and even on the trunk. After pollination, the fruits develop gradually, starting green and turning bright yellow or golden when ripe. Harvesting should be done when the fruit reaches a uniform yellow color and feels firm but slightly tender to the touch. In family gardens, harvesting is done by hand, carefully twisting or cutting the fruit to avoid damaging nearby branches or developing fruit. The tree may produce multiple harvests throughout the year in warm climates. With simple care and consistent attention, growing star fruit at home provides fresh fruit for eating raw, making juices, or preparing desserts. Beyond its nutritional value, the star fruit tree adds beauty to the garden with its glossy foliage and distinctive star-shaped fruit, rewarding the family with both flavor and visual appeal season after season.